You too. It's your boy Cash coming at y'all with another video. So yo, in this video, we gonna talk about why your waves lack progress. Why your waves lack progress. Alright? Listen, I love y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be hitting me up in the DMs, y'all be hitting me up in the comment section saying, yo, Cash, I ain't making no progress. I ain't making no progress. We're gonna talk about it after the intro. Y'all stay tuned.
These niggas taking up so much space, so much time. Fuck out of here, man. My team got next.
Time is up. Tell your man stop trying, he ain't hot as us. If them bands keep coming, we gon' pile it up. Took a real nigga test, you ain't make the cut, wave on him. Time is up. Tell your man stop trying, he ain't hot as us. If the bands keep coming, we gon' pile it up. Took a real nigga test, you ain't make the cut, wave on him. Wave on him. Wave on him. Wait, a wave on him. Nigga, wave on him. I said, wave on him. Wave on him. Wait, yo, wave on him. It's a nigga bigger, who do you figure? Do it like.
Alright, so yo, I had about like 7 reasons written down on why y'all not making progress with y'all waves. Alright. But I'm gonna break it down to like 3. Alright, to like 3 reasons. So one of the main reasons why y'all not making progress with y'all waves, you're not woofing long enough. Alright. You have to woof your hair. Alright. Now, if y'all anything like me, I personally don't like having a lot of hair on my head. Okay. But I understand woofing is a part of the process. Alright. So if you want to make progress with your waves, you have to woof. Your hair has to be long enough, thick enough. Your waves have to be at its curl length. Alright? If your hair is not long enough and every part of your head, if it's not curling, every part of your head needs to be curled up. The back, the sides, the top. When all your hair reaches curl length, you know you're at a good woofing stage for waves. Alright? So that's step 1. Make sure you woofing long enough. Let's go to step 2. Alright, so at step 2, this is what I'm gonna tell y'all. Some of y'all either cutting your hair too low, some of y'all cutting your hair too soon, some of y'all getting an all around even cut. Alright, now from my experience, keep in mind, I am a barber. I have went to barber school. I have worked in a barber shop. Alright. Hair grows different lengths. The top might grow thicker. The sides usually grow lighter, or they take longer to grow. Okay, and then sometimes your back is even thin. All right, crown area we all know is thin. All right, look, stop cutting your hair. If you don't see waves in your hair, if you don't have a full head of hair, if your waves are not spinning all the way around your head, you don't need to cut your hair yet. All right, when you're woofing, you need to make sure that you brushing while you woofing and that your waves are all the way around your head. Once your waves are all around your head, maybe after about 4 weeks, 6 weeks, however long it takes to get all your waves all around your head, at that point, you want to cut your hair, all right? Now, when you cut your hair, I would not go lower than a 2, okay? I would not go lower than a number 2, all right? Now, once you get to the point where you become elite, or you have good connections, okay? If you want to go down to a 1.5, that's fine. What I recommend is do not go down to a 1.5 all over your head. You're gonna lose progress, okay? So you could do a 1.5 around your edge up, then make your hair smooth, and it'll give you a sharper lineup, and keep the back at about a 2.5 around your crown area. All right, listen to me. Do not get your hair cut the same length all the way around. One thing about me is I noticed that my sides are thinner than the top of my hair. So is my back. My back of my hair is thin too. So the back and the sides are thinner. So I cannot cut with the same guard as I cut the top. Or, you know, understand what I'm saying? So I might cut my top down. And different parts of my head I cut at different lengths. The crown, I'll try not to go lower than a 2. My edges, I might end up doing a 1. And then the rest of my hair, depending on where I'm cutting at, I might do a 1.5, 2. All right, and this side I gotta be real careful on, because this is, used to be my weak side, but it's actually my best side as far as my connections. But I do realize that this side of my head is a lot thinner, the hair's a lot straighter, so it takes a lot longer for the waves to come in on this side of my head, on the right side of my head. All right, but look, this is why y'all waves are lacking progress. Okay, the third reason, and this is the last and the final reason of why you're not making progress with your waves. You're not brushing enough. All right, y'all gotta brush, man. You have to brush. Try to get more mirror time brushing than blonde brushing. All right, blonde brushing may create a lot of forks for you. It will get you waves fast, because you're brushing throughout the day, or you're brushing just whenever you get a chance. But try to hold some brush sessions at night, in the mirror, before you go to bed, before you rag up. At least 15 to 30 minutes, all right? When you really get good at it, exercise them bicep muscles, you know what I'm saying? You could be in the bathroom for an entire hour just brushing your hair. Do not count brush strokes. Just go in and tell yourself you're gonna brush your hair for this amount of time, all right? Now, these are just some reasons why your waves might not be making progress. If you got any questions, make sure y'all leave a comment. Make sure y'all like the video. And if you're not a subscriber, man, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe. It's your boy Cash. Peace.